Today we are going to have the revision of the last two lessons, the magical world of science and my shadow. Okay. So are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Prepare well.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, I'm not going to take any MCQ test because I know you are all thorough with it and you might have definitely read the textbook thoroughly. So you will surely get all the answers of the MCQ, but the written test is more important, right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It's a different.
Yes. It's not different. You have not been doing that this year. So a bit of difficulty you might be facing.
Yes.
Okay. So the magical world of science is the story of a little girl named Timmy. Who believed that science is nonsense, right? She was
Yes.
finding it difficult to learn the spellings, and she felt why we should learn the spellings, why to learn history, and what is the use of learning tables, and what is the use of studying science. And she was fed up. Why was she fed up? When was she fed up? Yes, you can see. Trying to
Ma'am, I don't know.
She was fed up
remember
things
that she could
yes,
not
understand.
Not
But
understand.
her elder sister Limi tried to correct her. She said that science is not hard at all. If you understand it, you will easily remember it. Okay, and again, she was not ready to accept it. Timmy said that science is the most boring subject in the world, with just diagrams and explaining the working of this and what is the process. Okay, and her elder sister asked Timmy to imagine a world without science, and she presented it in a very funny way. She said that there won't be science subject, no science teacher, and during that period they can watch cartoons, eat ice cream, and draw. And again, her elder sister corrected her, telling that if there were no science, you would be living in a cave without electricity. And no electricity means forget about television and ice cream. And there won't be even books or pencils. And suppose if a mosquito bites you, you might get infected with malaria, for which you will not get any sort of medication. And then this is when Timmy started thinking. She scratched her head and she said that, like she said about the things that she saw around her, and all the things in this world work according to certain rules. Her sister said, and including your body. And since ancient times, people have questioned, studied, and understood these rules. And this knowledge was used for inventing new things. And again, Timmy started thinking seriously about it. And her sister asked whether she knew how electricity was discovered. Who can tell me how electricity was discovered? How electricity was discovered? Yes, Nainika. Unmute. How was electricity discovered? Mayuk, say the answer.
Ma'am, Benjamin Franklin, an American scientist, flew a kite with a metal ring attached to the thunderstorm. The lightning charged the key and he got an electric shock. This proved that electricity and lightning are related.
Perfect answer. So it was a metal key. Right, Benjamin Franklin flew a kite with a metal key attached to it in a thunderstorm, and the lightning charged the metal key and he got an electric shock. And this paved the way to the discovery of electricity. And I hope you remember the difference between discovery and invention. Discovery means finding out something which was already present in nature, whereas invention means creating or designing something new for the first time. And this revelation made Timmy think hard about it. And Limi continued that Alexander Graham Bell, if he had not invented the telephone, it would not have been possible for us to sit comfortably in our homes and talk to our near and dear ones who are half the way across the other part of the globe. Okay, and this is all like miracles. And what do you mean by miracles? What do you mean by miracles? Dia?
Magical or wonderful events.
Yes, magical or wonderful events. Now, you have no ideas. A lot of studies are still going on based on science, from discovering the power of herbs in forests to exploring outer space, including the food we eat, the clothes we wear. Science is doing wonders. And at the end of the story, Timmy changes her mind and says about her ambition. What becomes her ambition? What is her ambition now, Dhanvin? What is Timmy's ambition?
To become a scientist.
Yes, to become a scientist, and she also says that she wants to study something special.
And science aliens.
Yes, to become a scientist and science aliens. And that is how a girl, again, what is this doubt during the revision, Felix? See, it will be taking a lot of time. What is the doubt?
Ma'am, is Benjamin Franklin only do the experiment of electricity? Or
No. He might have invented a lot of other things or discovered a lot of other things, right? This is one of his. This is one of his invention. Sorry, discovery. Okay, so this is how the little girl called Timmy changed her mind. What paved the way, like how her eyes opened. Like her elder sister, Limi, helped her in understanding the importance of science. And ultimately, finally, she gets transformed into a new person. And this time, she starts liking the science subjects because she understood the importance of it. Okay, so I hope the lesson is clear to you. Now we will just go through the notes. Okay. Yes. So, this is the notes. Meanings? Ojas, what's the meaning of the word miracles?
Magical or wonderful events.
Okay, fed up?
Tired of something.
Process?
Method.
Method. Okay. Arpita, what's the meaning of discovered?
Yes, ma'am. To make known or visible to others.
Others. Okay. And what about invented? Created or designed. And what is the meaning of thunderstorm? What is a thunderstorm? Storm with thunder and lightning. Fed up is tired of something. Okay, very good. Niranjan, what is the antonym of comfortable?
Uncomfortable.
Remember?
Forget.
Okay. Rudra, what is the antonym of ancient? Ancient? I can't hear you.
Modern.
Modern. Ancient means very old. Modern means new. Remember?
Forget.
Forget. Okay. And here we have the past tense form: understand, understood, bite, bit, wear, wore, and prove, proved. Sentence using the word discovered. America was discovered by Christopher Columbus in the year 1492. So a place is always discovered by the people. Okay. Invented. Thomas Alva Edison invented the electric bulb. Now, next. Janvi, what did Timmy think about science at the beginning of the story?
That science is the most boring subject in the world. It was useless with just diagrams and explain the working of and the
What is the
working
process?
and what is the process called.
Okay, fine. Manav, how did Timmy describe the world without science?
Timmy described that as there would be no science subject and no science teacher, she could make that period delightful by watching cartoons, eating ice cream, and Draw pictures.
Okay. Now, Isha, how was electricity discovered?
Benjamin Franklin, an American scientist, flew a kite with a metal key attached to it in a thunderstorm. The lightning charged the key and he got an electric shock. This is how he discovered electricity, by proving that lightning and electricity are
Related. Okay, good. Now, how is science doing wonders for us according to Limi? Sarah.
Okay, ma'am. According to Limi, science is doing wonders for us by discovering the power of herbs in forests, exploring the outer space, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and many more.
Okay. And value-based questions, you know, you can, if at all value-based questions are asked, you can write them in your own words. Okay. That's it. Now, let's move on to the next lesson. Now, is there any doubt regarding magical world of science? Is the lesson thorough? Is it thorough for all of you?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now, next lesson is My Shadow. My Shadow is a beautiful poem written by, what is the name of the poet, Jenica? Yes, Jenica, what's the name of the poet?
Robert Louis Stevenson.
Yes, Robert Louis Stevenson. So in this poem, the boy, a little boy, describes his curiosity, his understanding about his own shadow. He says that he has a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and the use of it is much more than I can see. He also says he's exactly like me from heels to the head, and I can see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. And the most funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. And it is not at all like proper children, because proper children's growth is very slow. But this shadow shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. And you know what is an India rubber ball? It is a soft ball that bounces very high. And he sometimes gets so little, so there's none of him at all. He completely vanishes. He hasn't got a notion of how children, he doesn't have any idea like how children should play. And he tries to make a fool of him in every sort of way. He stays very close to him, and the boy calls him a coward. And you know what is a coward? And he believes that it is very shameful to stick to nursery, just like how that shadow is sticking to the boy. One morning, very early before the sunrise, this boy woke up and he went out to his garden to enjoy the shining dew on every buttercup. And he believes that his lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, you might be remembering what is the meaning of errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of the word notion? Srihari, notion.
Ma'am, idea.
Yes, an idea or belief.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have a
Now,
doubt.
what is, wait. What do you mean by the word errant? Juan, errant. Juan, did you hear that? What do you mean by errant? Aditi?
Complete.
Complete, very good. Who is a coward? Niranjan.
Someone who is not brave.
Someone who is not brave. Now, how does the shadow grow? Avantika. How does the shadow grow?
Puts up
Mm.
taller,
Like what?
like an Indian rubber ball.
And sometimes it becomes
Tiny.
tiny as if
It does not
doesn't exist. Okay. Now, why does the child call his shadow a coward? Adi, right moment, he went from there. Are you there? Yes, Adi. Why does the child call his shadow a coward?
The shadow stick
Hmm.
to him
See,
very
children,
close.
for the examination, I assure you that you won't be having long answers. Okay, lengthy answers won't be there. You will have just small answers, but make sure you have to write the answer in a complete sentence. I won't give any mark if I see one word answer. So, Adi, how will you answer this question? Why does the child call his shadow a coward? The child calls his shadow a coward because
Child calls his shadow because
Hmm.
he sticks to him very
Ah.
close beside him.
Okay, it stays very close beside him always. Now, what does the shadow do when the child gets up before the sun? Manas or Ojas, who did not answer last time? Yes.
When the child gets up before the sun and goes into his garden,
Mm.
the lazy shadow will be fast asleep in the bed.
In the bed. Okay. Now, yes. So, you can see the notes of my shadow. India rubber ball is a ball that bounces very high. Notion, an idea or belief. Ought, should. Coward, someone who is not brave. Then Nursi. Krishna, what do you mean by Nursi?
Caretaker.
Caretaker or nanny. What is dew? Dew.
Droplets of water that cool among cool surfaces.
Surfaces. Now here we have the past tense forms. Grow, grew, seesaw, rise, rose, stick and stick, stuck. And look at the sentences. You know what is errand and you know what is notion. Errand means complete. Notion means an idea or belief. So Haider is talking errand nonsense. Lena has some strange notion about her friend. I won't be asking any make sentences because first of all, the marks are out of the written test will be out of 30 marks. Okay. And I have to include the reading comprehension, then writing skill, then workbook exercises. So believe me, no, like I won't be using, but all this should be read. You have to read all this, you have to understand. But for asking, like questions will be based on the meanings, the antonyms, and question answers. That too, short answers, but make sure you write them in a complete sentence. Mention two things that the shadow does with the child in the poem. The child's shadow goes in and out with him and jumps before him into his bed. I don't want you to write exactly the answer what I have given. Provided there are points, complete points, and if you write that in a grammatically correct sentence, taking care of the punctuation, I will give you full marks. Don't worry about it. Okay, and all the other questions we already discussed. Now, are you all ready for the written test? Are you all ready? So take your book. Please
Yes,
close
ma'am.
your book.
I
Please.
can't on my video because my battery is running out.
Okay, fine. No problem. You just take your rough book. Make sure that you keep your textbook and notebook closed.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we need to write question.
No need of writing the question. Even for the examination, the question paper will be posted in the group. You have to just look at the questions and obviously there will be Roman numbers given. Right? Roman numbers will be given. So put the Roman number. You know what is Roman number? This one. 1,
Yes, ma'am.
2. These are called
Yes,
Roman
ma'am.
numbers. So put the correct Roman number and the other number and just write the answer. That is what? That is all what you have to do. Don't ever waste the time copying down the questions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Today is 6.
I want to say.
Excuse me,
Eight.
ma'am.
Tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
In the exam, we can write the answers as our own words also.
Own words? It should be right.
Yeah.
See, I have been teaching you for the past 3 years. I have never told you have to write exactly the same words. I want the correct language and I want the point. And take care of the punctuation, spellings. These are the factors you have to take care.
Ma'am, so we can write our own sentences.
Yes,
but
yes,
the
yes.
point should be there.
Point should be there and the sentence should be grammatically correct. There should not be any grammar mistakes. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Oh, please don't waste your time. Tell me.
Ma'am, if the question comes, who wrote the poem My Shadow, so we can write R.L. Stevenson.
Yes. No problem. R.L. Stevenson also can be written. Okay. So meanings.
Ma'am, I want to say one thing. Ma'am, I want to say one thing. Ma'am, we should write the question.
Oh dear. No need of writing the question. Coward. Notion. Invented. See, you have to study all the meanings, all the antonyms, everything. But whatever questions are given in the revision, please make sure that you're thorough with them. Write and study them thoroughly because those questions are more important.
Ma'am, I want to say.
Tell me, Siddhi.
Ma'am, in the workbook, page number 20, we have that advertisement, right?
Yes.
Will that be in the exam?
You can expect because we have two writing skill, Siddhi. One is advertisement and the other one is dialogue writing. So any one question can be asked, either advertisement or conversation, dialogue writing. Okay.
Ma'am, sir, can you send me that advertisement? Ma'am, can you send me the advertisement?
Advertisement. How to send the advertisement? It was all you had already done it, right? So there is nothing to be sent, Siddhi. You have to just draw the picture and write captions. That's all. The other guiding points, 5 points, if you want, you can write. It will help you to write the advertisement in a better way. Even if it is asked in the examination, that points won't be asked. You will be only given a space to draw the advertisement. That's all. Antonyms, remember, and ancient.
Ma'am, should we write the question?
How many times I have been telling, don't waste your time writing the question. What did Timmy think of science at the beginning of the how does the shadow grow? Timmy describe world without science. Why does the child call his shadow a coward? That's all. So meanings, I have given you 5 words: coward, notion, invented, miracles, errant. Antonyms, 2 words: remember and ancient. Questions: what did Timmy think of science at the beginning of the story? Second question is, how does the shadow grow? Third question, how did Timmy describe a world without science? And the last question, why does the child call his shadow a coward? That's all.
Sri Hari, can you
I guess the board is toggling. Is it okay now?
No, we can't see the side.
You can't see the side, just a
No,
moment.
no, no.
It's highly sensitive. That's a problem. Now is it
Oh.
okay? Now is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, it's not okay.
Not okay?
No.
Yes.
I'm trying
Ah,
to.
yeah. No,
Yes, yes,
no,
yes.
okay,
Ma'am,
now
we
okay.
can see all the questions.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
touch the board or
No.
it will get wrong.
No, sometimes it just toggles with even without touching. That's a problem.
Jumping.
Is there anyone who finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you finished writing? And even if you have, even if you don't complete writing, don't worry. The same questions will be sent in the WhatsApp. Okay. So that you can note the questions, note down the questions, and make sure you write the answers. And after writing, you just compare it with the notes and see whether there are any spelling mistakes or whether you are missing out any words.
Ma'am, this revision test how much marks?
I'm not putting any marks actually. Huh? No marks. See, only 3 more minutes. I have unmuted you all. What is the meaning of coward?
Someone who is not brave.
Someone who is not brave.
Not
Notion?
brave.
Notion?
idea.
Invented?
Created or designed.
Okay. So don't get confused between discovered and invented. Both are two different words with different meaning. Miracles?
Magical
Wonderful event.
Aren't?
complete.
Antonym, remember?
Yes, ma'am. Forget.
Ancient? Modern. So, and the question, what did Timmy think of science at the beginning of the story? Celine, can you say the answer? What did Timmy think of
Timmy
science?
thought that science is the most boring subject in the world.
Okay, very good. How does the shadow grow?
Ma'am.
Isha, how does the shadow grow? Or Srihari?
Ma'am, can I tell the next one? Ma'am,
Yes,
the
Srihari.
shadow sometimes shoots up like an Indian rubber ball and sometimes becomes short that there is none of metal.
Okay. See, children, it's not Indian rubber ball. Many of them are making a mistake even while reading from the text. It's India rubber ball. Okay, it's India rubber ball. Now, yes. How did Timmy describe a world without science?
Timmy described that as there would be no science subject and no science teacher, she could make that period delightful by watching cartoons, eating ice cream, and draw pictures.
Okay, very good. Maria, why does the child call his shadow a coward?
The child called his shadow a coward because he sticks to the boy always.
Okay, he sticks beside him always. Okay, children. So that's all. Don't worry. The questions. Yes. Sure. I'll send the questions in the WhatsApp. Okay. So, and make sure that you note down all the questions given in the revision, and please study them in a special way, because I have taken out all the important questions from all the lessons. So with this, we have completed the revision of textbook. And remember not to forget the reading comprehensions. 4 reading comprehensions are there. Make sure that you study everything. One will be asked from that. And apart from that, an outside comprehension will also be given. Simple one, which you have to read and answer. And any 2 of the, and all the remaining workbook exercises The revision will be conducted on Tuesday. That is the last day of our revision. Okay, so take your workbook, go through all the workbook exercises as mentioned in the portions, and come prepared.
Dialogue writing.
Yes, dialogue writing. Yes, I'll give you some examples. Dialogue writing you have to study. You take any 2 characters of your choice. Even if dialogue writing comes, exactly the same question will be asked. All the 7 people will be given with their hobbies, and you have to select 2 of them and write your dialogue. But make sure you prepare. Okay. So thank you, children. Will it be?
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
will it be the same?
Yes. Dialogue writing, the same question. Bye then. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.